Hello and welcome to this quick guide. Today, I'll show you how to manage who can comment on your posts or answer your questions in the Quora app on your Android phone. This simple setting helps you control your interactions and improve your Quora experience. Open the Quora app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on the privacy option. Now scroll further until you find Comment Preferences. Finally, choose your preferred option. Allow anyone to comment or answer, restrict to only people who follow you, or disable comments completely. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily control who interacts with your posts on Quora. Adjusting your comment preferences helps you create a better and more comfortable space for your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.